everyone.
I'm Starry.
I'm Lauren.
I'm Sheila. So today we will introduce our production base. Because with the demand of the development, so we just invested this production base in the 2019 with more than 30,000 square meters. Yes, so as you can see, this is the first building. Just follow us. Hello, I'm Sheila. So now let me show you our exhibition in this way. As you can see, there are some of our products. Many have the surge protection, circuit breaker, fuse, load switch, over voltages protection, and the sun umbrella box, AC type contactor, PV connector, and cable, and the automatic transport switch device. We have 3 laboratories, and you can see this is the first laboratories. Is the class 1 maximum 100 kA simulated lightning current impactor test platform, mainly used to test whether the impulse current in type 1 surge protection reached to the actual identification stage. And this way is the laboratory 2. And mainly test the class 2 can up to the 200 kA simulated lightning current impactor test platform, which is mainly used to test whether the maximum discharge current parameter in the type 2 surge protection reached to the actual identification stage. And later we will do the test for you guys. This is our laboratory 3. You can see there are so many equipments. And this is the first equipment is the constant temperature and the humidity test box. So it's just to test the heat, cold, dry, wet resistance, and check whether the equipment can still work normally in stereo environments. And this is our second equipment, is the thermal stability test system, and it to simulate the heating phenomena of the test, the sample after increase of the surge protection leakage current, and test the sample whether it can automatically buckle after heating to avoid the fire. And this device is mainly used to test the thermal stable stripping ability of the product. This is our third equipment, and is the burning wire tester, mainly suitable for some electrical products material for fire risk test, and the simulator by a thermal stress in a short time. And we are on the test now. Put one example in it, and you will see it will be burning. And it will self-extinguish and so achieve to the fire resistance.
This is our assembly room. Let me show you around. And this is our automatic welding line. Now, many people and many companies are used to the manual welding process nowadays. So it will cause 2 problems, that the production can buckle or just very easier to buckle. So we adapt to this production and use the automatic means like that. So automatic welding process can avoid this problem to ensure that the product can be used to protect the equipment and even fire. So automatic welding line can avoid this problem and to make sure the consistency and the reliability of our products. So this is our sorting workshop. You can see that. And we also call the inspection of workshop. We will do every inspection of each product and also each chips. Nowadays, many factories do not subdivide the chip between the chip voltage and also the difference. So we use the sorting workshop to do that. You can see that. In addition, we also carry out a small current inrush current test because the MOV has not been subjected to a small current in the factory process. It's still in a dormant state. If we do not conduct a small current inrush current test on him and carry out a wake-up process, it may lead to our equipment in the actual use process. Encounter small current does not protect, do not act. So this is our automatic assembly line. You can have a look. We collect automatic pressing, automatic laser marking, automatic uploading of test data, automatic and like packaging and other automatic ways into one. Which automatic detection to do each of our products in the factory after a strict full inspection. So our products, from components to finished products, at least 3 times through the full inspection check, full inspection of raw materials, semi-finished products. This is the reason why we have never had any quality problems with our products.
Let's move to the second building of our stacking and injection workshop. Okay, let's follow me to have a look of it. This area is to producing our plastic products of our such protective device, such as indicator, plant base and model, and other components. Let's follow our camera to have a closer of it. These machines are to producing our copper and iron parts of our production. Let's see how is the equipment operating. % of our components are produced by ourselves, which can be better to control the cost and to keep the stability and consistency of our products. Let's show you the last one building of our staff dormitory. There are 5 floors in this building. The first floor including the canteen, kitchen, and the exercise area of staff. Okay, that's everything about our factory.
Okay, thank you for your watching. That's all of our production-based introduction, and hope you have a chance to visit our factory. Goodbye.